In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-layer pie chart in Excel. A multi-layer pie chart, often called a multi-ring donut chart, is perfect for showing how two related datasets compare across the same categories, like budget versus actual, or this year versus last year. Start by clicking your data. Make sure your worksheet is laid out cleanly, with category labels in one column and the first set of values in the next. If you have a second dataset to compare, place it in a parallel column beside the first. Now drag to highlight the first dataset you want to chart, including its header and the category labels. Selecting the right range up front helps Excel build the chart with the correct labels. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where all the charting tools live. In the Charts group, click the pie chart icon, then choose Doughnut. Excel will insert a simple donut chart using the data you selected. Right now, you should see a single ring that represents your first series. Right-click anywhere on the chart area to access more options. From the context menu, click Select Data. This opens the Select Data Source window, where you control which series and categories appear in the chart. To build the second layer, add your next series. In the dialog, choose Add. Then in the series name box, type a clear label that explains what this second dataset represents. In series values, select the cells that contain the second set of numbers only. Avoid including headers or labels here. Taking a moment to select the exact range ensures your chart updates correctly and your rings line up by category. When you're happy with the selection, click OK. Excel adds the second series to the chart, creating another ring. Typically, the first series is the outer ring, and the second becomes the inner ring, giving you that multi-layer look. Now adjust the donut size to fine-tune readability. Right-click a ring and choose Format Data Series. In the pane that appears, use the donut hole size slider to control the thickness of the rings and the spacing between them. A mid-range setting, around 40 to 60%, often strikes a good balance, but adjust it to suit the amount of text and the number of categories you have. At this point, you have a clean, multi-layer donut chart. You can later refine colors, labels, and titles to match your workbook's style. Keep category order consistent across both datasets and avoid too many tiny slices for clarity. That's it. Your multi-layer pie chart is ready.